Namaskar. Hello. I am Tasneem Sefi and you are watching my channel Tasneem's Vidyan Shastra. Welcome to Simple and Smart Learning. So children, as you know that we have started with General Science Standard 8th and the topics related to each we are going to discuss with the help of online learning. So now, as you know, in the last session we have completed page number 7. On the page number 7 there is one chart, that is 2.3, some infectious disease. In that we have seen the overview of chart. Now today I am going to explain in detail about this chart. So let's have a journey one by one. Here, you know that the infectious disease means the disease that spread through contaminated air, water, food or vectors. Vectors means the insects, the animals or such type of organisms nearby us. They just bite and because of that we get the infection. So such kind of, you can say, the diseases which is present in our surrounding or it affect us is the infectious disease. So from that, according to this chart, now today we are going to learn one by one. So let's come towards the first disease, that is tuberculosis. Now tuberculosis, that is the TB, it is also recognized by TB. It's really a dangerous disease. Nowadays, we are having the precautionary, you can say, the preventive measures. But when this disease came first, that time this disease has taken such a chronic effect that the people immediately get died, and most of the relatives, or the if it is in the village, the villagers are throwing out this people, infected people, from their family, from their village, and such people are boycotted from the society. This is the orthodox and old, you can say, the story what I told you. But nowadays this can be curable, as you know the science and technology always wins. So this tuberculosis caused by the Mycobacterium tuberculin, and this particular disease is, it's an effect, affects the lungs. It is curable and preventable, and this spread from person to person through air. When people with TB cough, sneeze or spit, these germs rapidly spread in air and affect. So you know such type of germs are there. This is a typhoid germ, but the tuberculosis germs are also similar to like that only. So this type of, such type of germs which is present, they spread everywhere and they shows the symptoms. Now these symptom, or these Mycobacterium tuberculin, these are the organisms which spread in our body immediately through the spitting. Little bit if you are talking also na, then also this disease spread. Even if you are using one another's cloth, or even if you are taking some, you can say, the food, eatable food, if you are sharing, through that also this disease immediately it spreads. So the symptoms for this disease are flu, chills, tired all the time and no appetite. The most important, the person affected or the patient immediately loses the weight and they become so thin, and continuously they are coughing very strongly, they are coughing and heavy sweats, and their continuous chest pain is there, and due to that sometimes the blood also come from the coughing and the sputum, through that they immediately fatigue also. So these particular, you can say, the symptoms are there, and because of that it may take a adverse effect. So for that, prevention, what prevention then we have to take? So that is the vaccination. For that, the vaccine called Bacillus calmette-guerin, BCG, was first developed in 1920 and was given to newborn baby. So such type of vaccinations are given to the, nowadays it is given to newborn baby. So this adverse effect it may not cause, that is called as an BCG का टीका लगाया. when the child get born. Okay, so now here one more thing, that if any person is affected, then they have to stay home, ventilate the room, they have to cover themselves, cover their mouth while sneezing, coughing, they have to use the mask or the handkerchief or tissue paper, and these all used material immediately disinfected. It shouldn't be mixed with another healthy person's clothes or the material. And whatever the early, you can say, if it is detected, then appropriate antibiotic is given to such patient. And for that, DOT, that is dot, it is a short course, that is directly observed treatment given to the TB patient, which was recommended by who? WHO, that is World Health Organization. I hope now you got the clear idea that how to stop TB and how to prevent from this to TB. So such type of global campaigns were arranged and the vaccination is done for all the people. In this way the TB resist. Now another, that is the hepatitis. Now if we are talking about the hepatitis, this is also a very dangerous disease. Many people call it as a jaundice, और इसे पीलिया कहा जाता है, और even you can say काविड़ भी कहा जाता है. And these jaundice or hepatitis, there are different types. 5 types of hepatitis are there, which is caused by the 5 types of viruses. And for that the name is given: hepatitis A, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, D and E. And this particular disease is nothing but the inflammatory condition of liver. Are you able to see in this picture? This picture, it shows where the disease causes especially, and then it spread all over the body. And there are 5 types of this hepatitis which lead to some chronic and some acute. From that, hepatitis B and C leads to chronic disease, you know that. And hepatitis A and E, this all is okay short term, but this all disease caused by the contaminated water, food, especially the water during rainy season, such type of disease spread very rapidly. So in this way the hepatitis disease is having the dangerous effect. And you know what is the commonly mode of transmission? That is contaminated water, food, or even the dirty equipments which are not washed clean properly, or even through the blood from one person to other person, or even from mother to baby, or husband to wife, wife to husband, or from family to child. In this way it may also, you can say, cause due to consumption of alcohol continuous. If you are drinking alcohol, it is not at all good. So overdose of medication also, many people are having habit, chalo sir dukha गोली खा लो, पेट दुखा गोली खा लो, और इवन सिंपल स्मॉल स्मॉल, यू कैन से, पेन्स आर देयर, छोटी छोटी बातों के लिए कई लोगों को हैबिट होती है गोलियां खाने की. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट ऑल्सो हेपेटाइटिस में कॉज द डिसीज. सो फॉर दैट, what are the symptoms then? For that there are different types of symptoms, that is fatigue, flu, dark urine, yellowish color urine or pale stool, then abdominal pain, continuous you are having the abdominal pain, loss of appetite, weight loss, and your skin, eyes, nails, it becomes yellowish in color, and continuous vomiting and diarrhea you are facing. And sometimes you have to you recover through the blood test. So you have to do the blood test or ultrasound, through which it detects where your body is standing, means how much the liver affected. Many time, you know, liver get damage also. So again you have to take the prevention and precaution. So vaccination is done for it with the antiviral medication, practicing good hygiene, avoid local water, you can say, or you have to avoid the local street food, then raw uncooked food. Many people are having habit of eating potato raw, eating any vegetables raw immediately. So this also may affect the body. Or even the fish products like shellfish and oysters are really not good for health because they may cause hepatitis. So such type of raw fruits and vegetables without cleaning, if you are eating, surely you will get such diseases. And even You don't have to share the needles, injections, or you can say the razor, the blades, toothbrush, comb. You have to keep separately. Everyone has to use their own towels and all such material. In this way you can save the people and yourself. So this is what about hepatitis B. You may get many things on the Google. Okay, so now according to textbook I am teaching you. Now here dysentery, third one. Dysentery, immediately you know that most of the people get affected because of if we are eating outside. कई बार पानी पूरी खाने से भेल पूरी खाने से भी हो जाता है, or even excess amount of food you are eating in the marriages or in the parties, and if it is unbearable you face the dysentery, that is loose motion, isn't it? So these loose motion, it causes by the bacteria, virus, Shigella, bacilli, entamoeba, and it is a intestinal inflammation. So this is of colon also, and continuous severe stomach cramp. You are facing the stomach cramp. बहुत ज़ोरों से पेट में मरोड़ आती है, दर्द होता है. So with mucus or blood in the fecus, many time in your potty the blood comes out. So this is what the reason. And continuous you are going for the motions, that is diarrhea, then vomiting, fever, nausea, then you are losing your weight, you are feeling BP goes down, and very you can say the watery diarrhea you are facing, and your body becomes so pale. So for that you have to take the preventive measures. And for that preventive measures, what you are going to see, that is you have to wash your hand regularly all the time with soap and water. Even though you get up, even though you eat any small thing, if you are eating apple or fruit while coming here and there, immediately wash your hand before and after. If you are eating even chocolates, if you are eating even wafers, whatever things you are eating, if you are drinking water, then also you have to wash your hands. After using toilets you have to wash your hands. After having your food, then all the time you have to keep clean yourself. Drink reliable source clean water. Don't drink the dirty water, unchecked boring water. You have to drink clean water and checked boring water. Then you have to always wash the bottle. If you are drinking water from bottle through the school, in the offices, or even you can say in the working place, traveling, so that bottle cap and bottle rim, the top bottle rim should be always cleaned. Wash it and then drink the water. And eat properly cooked food. Don't eat uncooked food, fresh food. And drink plenty of water, because in dysentery and diarrhea your body loses the water. So that's why you have to maintain the balance of the water. So continuous drink water and the solution, that is saline solution, sugar and pinch of salt in 1 glass of water is the best solution. So or even you can say ORS, oral rehydration is given, that is the solution given to such people. In this way you have to take care of your health. Now let's come towards the next disease, that is cholera. Uma, it's really a very you can say dangerous and hectic, because this caused by the bacteria Vibrio cholerae. You know, this Vibrio cholerae bacteria were discovered in 1883 by the scientist, and this caused by ingestion of food or contaminated dirty water. Many people are having habit of, come on, this is the good river, this is the flowing water, we can drink water. No, many time in fresh water, in this flowing water, it may cause the cholera, because you know that the water is okay, but many times many people are washing clothes, many people are washing utensils, and even washing animals in the rivers and ponds and lake. Not only this, many are having habit to wash the vehicles on the water. So these all germs, it may get stuck into the fresh water, and if you are drinking the fresh water you will face the problem. So for that, what problem you are going to face? Naturally vomiting, and you will say the diarrhea, the stomach ache. And this cholera causes severe acute diarrhea, leg cramps, stomach cramps, and vomiting, non-stop vomiting and motions, and this kill within hours also. Okay, cholera affected person immediately get killed also. I mean, death, it is really a dangerous effect. You know that during 19th century this was affected to many countries. How nowadays corona is affected all over the world, such a type the cholera was affected, and whole cities and cities got died. it is also called as an हैजा. इसे हैजा से भी पहचाना जाता है. So you know that this spread across the world, that is pandemic disease. Pandemic disease means the disease which spread all over the world, and it killed millions of people. Remember that, huh, students? And you know that these people across the world, they died like anything, and it is really unbearable, because the person, those who are going to help them, they may also get died, and they may also get affected in this way, like influenza or flu and the cholera, they all spreaded all over the world. And in this way the big halls are full with such patients, and immediately they are getting died. So this diseases is really dangerous, so you have to take the prevention. And in this disease the eyes got sunken, dry mouth, there is a fast heartbeat, low bp, and your weight is lost immediately. Within 2 days, couple of days, you feel fatigue. So for that you have to take prevention and precautions. So there is a combination of surveillance, water, sanitation, hygiene, proper medication, oral cholera vaccines are given, and it can be treated with ORS, oral rehydration solution. That time the vaccination was not there, but now the vaccination are there. So the many people, those who are going for the pilgrimage, or even you can say those who are going for the sports activity from one country to other country, that time the vaccination is given, so that you will not face the problem. And continuous keeping yourself clean is the best way. So there are again currently 3 vaccines recommended by WHO nowadays for cholera, that is Dacorol, Sancol and Evicol. So this way the 3 different vaccines are given for the cholera. I hope you got the clear idea regarding the cholera. And continuously boiled water you have to drink, and you have to avoid the open food. You have to eat all covered and well cooked food. So now let's move towards the next disease, that is typhoid. Now the typhoid fever, again it is caused by the bacteria Salmonella typhi, and this infection is often passed through contaminated food and water. See, if you will see now, most of the disease they pass through contaminated water and food. These two main things are our basic necessities, isn't it? And this only causes the main all diseases. So for that, take care. Now this typhoid disease can lead to high fever, diarrhea, again vomiting. Most of the symptoms are same for each disease. Fatal or gastrointestinal problems may cause. It may pass the contaminated water in our body, liver and stomach, and immediately it get affected to the intestine. You know, this bacteria, they lives in our intestine, and their blood in the blood stream of humans. कई बार जो पुराने लोग वो कहते थे कि आपकी इंटेस्टाइन में छाले हो गए हैं, ऐसे भी कहा जाता था. In this way it is given. It's spread between individuals by direct contact, you know, from person to person. So that's why person to person means how? With the help of feces, the dirty matter which if you comes in contact, urine or stools, when you come in contact with such dirty, you get affected. हाथ को छूने से नहीं होता है, but the blood streams or the clothes, the infected person's blood, if by mistake if you touch, then it passes to you, and it gives a typhoid having high fever. You know that it is faced with the high fever, and the important communicable disease affects many in the world. This also communicable, this also get affected. Typhoid easily you can get affected from one person to other person, but there are reasons are little bit different. So you know that the weakness, abdominal pain, constipation, headache, these all things happen. And if you are facing some problem, so you don't have to spit here and there, you don't have to litter outside, or you can say you don't have to pass stool and urine on the open space area, then it will pass these germs. From there it is getting passed and it affects to your intestine, all your especially the internal stomach. Okay, so there are again preventions and major you can say the precautions are there. So what is the most effective treatment? Antibiotics. So you have to use, you don't have to use by your own, doctors will prescribe according to your health. So with the help of doctors observation and prescription, there are some antibiotics given, for example like ciprofloxacin or ceftriaxone, such type of medicines are given. So for that again you have to drink plenty of water before traveling long tour abroad, or you can say for any other activities, for exams you have to take proper care, you have to keep yourself clean, you have to carry most of the things like water, food, you have to carry your own water, toothbrush, everything separately, and you have to keep yourself safe. Vaccination is important, and through all this thing then you can save yourself. In this way many diseases are get cured. So this is how the different you can say the diseases and the things which are caused. Now there is one more question, that page number 7 you have to prepare similar table I told you yes in the last session also. So in that table there are some diseases given, from that one disease I will explain, that is enteritis. Rest three diseases you have to find out, okay, through the internet. So now here enteritis, what it is? It is the caused by again drinking water and contaminated food, and the viruses and bacteria and the germs that affect our small intestine, and it causes swelling in the stomach, in the gastritis, colitis, and these all causes the fever, nausea, same, vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, loss of weight, lose appetite, continuous bleeding in the mucus from rectum, or weakness and continuous thirst and dark urine. So these all are the causes of the enteritis, and you have to take care of yourself. Again you have to stay away from especially poultry and meat processing. Through poultry, those who are having the poultry business, they may get affected with such diseases, so they have to take precautionary measures, because such bacteria like salmonella, escherichia coli, e coli, shigella, bacillus species, or you can say c jejuni, such are causing the enteritis. And for severe condition, you know what happened, many times there is a lack of tears, आपके आंसू नहीं निकलते, आंसू बंद हो जाते हैं, एंड यू आर हैविंग अ डर्टी यूरिन स्मेल एंड फेलियर ऑफ किडनी, लीवर, हार्ट, even heart failure occurs and death. So for that reason you have to take precautions. Drink plenty of water, ORS, fruit juices, liquid soups, all the time you have to drink sugar, salt, water, and keep yourself again healthy and hygienic. So during this there is a traveling, you have to take care, same precautions and measures are same, but you have to take care properly. So this is what all about the chart. Now moving to page number 8, here last one disease I am going to explain in this part. There are some important diseases to present the what it is. So here three questions are asked. Can you tell? Can you tell means the student you have to tell. So how can we observe personal hygiene? Just now so many times I have told you so many answers of personal hygiene. So recall and write it down. Why should we drink boiled water? Again same, write it down. Why should we clean hands? These all you have to write down. So now let's moving to the next disease, dengue. Oh my, it's really a common problem nowadays. Most of the students, children are facing dengue. It is really a mosquitoes lay the eggs, you know, in water locked places. Have you seen this tire or many places where rainy season or just water is locked, पानी जो रह रहकर सड़ जाता है, उस पानी में छोटे छोटे कीड़े होते हैं. This is the larvae which born in water. After some time, even in the fresh water, okay, this what larvae grows big and then it converts into the mosquitoes. and these mosquitoes is spread all over, that is Aedes mosquitoes, which carries the virus when bites healthy person. It is also known as break bone fever से भी पहचाना जाता है. It causes due to 4 types of virus, that is dengue virus 1, dengue virus 2, dengue virus 3 and 4, and this virus enters the mosquito or flies, and when it bites it already infected person, यानी ये वायरस मॉस्किटो में इंसर्ट हो जाता है. अगर कोई पेशेंट पे ये मॉस्किटो बैठ गया तो वहाँ से ये वायरस मॉस्किटो में आ जाता है और ये वायरस फिर हर जगह दूसरों तक फैलता है. इन दिस वे इट स्प्रेड फ्रॉम वन पर्सन टू अदर पर्सन. एंड यू नो व्हाट आर द सिम्टम्स? acute fever, headache, vomiting, paining in the eye socket and prominent symptoms, and even continuous decrease in the platelet, white cells में problem हो जाती है, joint pain, nausea, even pain behind the eyes and head, rashes are there, and most important decrease in platelets, and you can say the white cell problems arises because of this particular dengue fever. So this particular mosquito, that is Aedes aegypti, this mosquito, it causes the yellow fever. Mosquito is also there, and they spread dengue, chikungunya, zika, mayaro, yellow fever, such type of diseases. You know, this mosquito can be recognized by white lines in it. There are white lines present on their body. You can see here the small one, okay, and it breeds in clean and stagnant water also. ये साफ पानी में भी होते हैं, you know that. So you have to take precautions. What it is? Again, painkiller, like some medicines prescribed by doctor, Tylenol or paracetamol are used. Then IV drips, you have to take immediate saline. Through saline the vaccination is done. Then with the help of heavy nice supplement or dehydration process, through that, then keep your body clean, keep yourself clean, take a bath, or if you are unable to take a bath because of fever, then you have to have a sponge twice a day. Then this all infections during the bathing are used, दैट इज़ डिसइनफेक्टेंट, डेटॉल, साफ ऐसी वाली चीज़ें यूज़ कर कर साफ पानी से नहाना है. एंड इवन यू नो दैट while playing on the ground during rainy season, whenever you are going in the grass or ground, always you have to wear full sleeves dresses, full pants, so mosquito will not bite on your hands and legs, open area. And then you have to use mosquito repellent. So use only covered water, don't use the, even you are using the uncovered water, it may cause. फ्रेश वाटर में भी होता है, आप ट्राई कर कर घर में देख सकते हो. एक बॉटल या एक डिब्बे में पानी भरो, 8-10 दिन ऐसे ही रखो, आप देख सकते हो छोटे छोटे कीड़े उसमें हो जाते हैं. सो इन दिस वे द डेंगू फीवर स्प्रेड. सो दिस इज़ व्हाट ऑल अबाउट फ्यू डिसीजेस फ्रॉम द given, you can say, experiments or the things. So in this way the different diseases may cause and it may get affected. So this is what the different you can say prevention precautions or various thing I have explained to you. I hope you understood. If still you are not understanding, please again rewind my video, keep your textbook in front of you and just go through it. Till then, thank you. Jai Hind.